Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to learn about how to install the Bootstrap into your Vue project. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here, first of all, we have to install the Bootstrap. So this is the npm install Bootstrap latest. Let's go to the terminal. Okay, so first we install the Bootstrap. This is done. But for the next step, that we have to import this into your main file. So let's router is already there, so you have to import this one into your main.js file. So here we go with the main. So just import this one. Okay, then you have to go with router is there, then everything is there, right? Next part would be the template, so where you can use the template. So just I'm going to use in the app and check that the Bootstrap is already installed or not. Let's go to the app view and save this and check the primary button color is changing or not. Let's start this project. So here you can see that we have the button primary. Okay, so now you have successfully installed the Bootstrap, and now you can use the Bootstrap elements by doing this. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.